Hi friends, I'm at Columbia Asia Hospital signal along the Bangalore Mysore Highway. It is the first entry point to Mysore city. Just a few meters before Columbia Asia Hospital signal, you will notice a very huge structure. It is the bridge carrying the water channel. Today, I am going to explore this water channel bridge. So I have reached the starting point of the bridge. This is the water channel. It connects from Mahadevapura is the starting point and its ending point is Varuna. I have done videos on Mahadevapura as well as Varuna Lake. I will provide the links of both these videos in the iCard or the white box which appears in the top of the screen. Kindly watch those videos as well. You can see the topography of entire Mysore city from here. It is very good location for aerial photography and videography. I'm glad I have come here. But you know, the height, the elevation it is in, it's kind of a, it sends in a fear. But it's fine. It's a very wide path. It is 3:15 in the afternoon. Let me say I'll walk along for some time. My idea is to reach at least up to the point of the bridge crossing along Bangalore Mysore Highway. Initially, for first few minutes, it's a bit frightening. I have to accept that. But once you walk for a little distance, you gain the confidence. It is a solid structure. What is scary is the height, the elevation you are standing in. If you are a person who is afraid of heights, don't even think of keeping one step on this bridge. You are a person who is suffering from vertigo, stay a mile away from this bridge. You see here the side railing is broken in between. Should be very careful, don't rush in here. If you are coming here for photography or for videography, take time, go very slowly. Enjoy the surrounding environment. The atmosphere is awesome here and it is very windy here. I'm just sitting here and enjoying the environment. From here I can see the water purification plant. Beyond that is the ring road. Some time back, I came along this path to reach the top of the bridge. Away from the scrap yard, and you see just in below me, in front of me, is a layout, a private layout, site layout. No board, nothing, just a border boundary compound wall, that's it. coconut palm fields, and beyond that is the Mysore Bangalore Highway. This overhead water supply channel bridge cuts across the Mysore Bangalore Highway and it goes all the way up to Narsipura. As we get closer to the Mysore Bangalore Highway, you see the amount of pebbles here in the pathway. You should be very careful and walk very slowly here. I started at 315 from the starting point of the bridge, and to reach this particular location, that is the bridge going across the Mysore Bangalore Highway, it has taken exactly 45 minutes. It's 4 o'clock now. At 4 o'clock only you see the vehicles leaving from Mysore to Bangalore. On that particular side of the road you see already a lot of vehicles are jamming up.